Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and this video is going to need quite a bit of an intro because it's just random clips thrown together while I was on the cruise. But basically the premise of this is me trying random stuff on the cruise. If you guys have never been on a cruise before, then you may not know this, and I think I explained this in the clips, but you pay a price before you got on the cruise to go on the cruise, and the majority of the food is included. And every night you dress up and you go to dinner if you want to. They have specific times for you to go to dinner, and you can order as much or as little food as you want. It's a 3-course meal, but you can order as much as what you want, which you will see that we ordered quite a bit of food. And each night they have a different menu. You're gonna hear my cat meowing, I'm sorry. Each night they have a different menu and you can try all kinds of stuff. So I think I tried like ox tongue, lamb, all types of things. And if you guys know me, you know that I'm a picky eater, but it was a great opportunity for me to try different things without having to really spend a lot of money on it. And before I get crap about this, yes, I know it is wasteful. Most of the time whenever we would try something, one person would order and then we would all try on it. So it wasn't like we were wasting a ton of food, but it is still wasteful. I know that, and I feel really guilty about that. I talked about it a lot in the cruise because I felt like crap for ordering that much food. So I know that I'm gonna get crap about that, but yeah, here are those clips of me trying random food with Veronica. The majority of it is things that she picked out for me to eat. So here's that. We're at dinner and Veronica's gonna make me try random stuff.
Everything.
Like, if you've never been on a cruise before, everything is free almost.
It's included in the price that you pay.
So this is a perfect opportunity for me to try random things because I'm not actually having to pay for it.
Because all this girl eats is chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, grilled chicken, chicken sandwiches, anything that has chicken, she eats it. So we're gonna get her to try actual adult food.
Because it's what I know I like, okay?
She's a child. She eats like a 5-year-old.
Attack, okay? So I thought this would be a cool video to do.
Okay, so Sabrina is about to try roasted poblano corn soup. So let's see if she likes it.
My first thoughts is that it looks and smells like baby food.
Y'all, their hurricane.
Oh, it's good. It does smell like baby food.
Their hurricane is so strong.
Oh, it's good. Try it. It's good. It's good. Try it. It's got a little bit of spice.
I love poblanos.
So what is poblano?
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's got a little spice to it though.
It's a pepper.
Ah, I was right. It did have spice to it.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, I like that. Would try again for sure. This is some sort of salmon, squid. I don't remember. I think it's salmon, which I've been wanting to try salmon. The texture is okay. Okay, this is something Veronica got on her dinner menu for the first night. I don't know what it is.
Sausage stuffing.
Stuffing?
Sausage stuffing. Take a bite of the whole thing.
It's kind of sweet. Has like a sweet taste to it. I like it.
Oh, it's where the butter stuff was. Yeah.
This is some sort of caramel dessert type thing.
So good.
It has coffee in it or something.
That's really good. That's up my alley.
It has like a weird aftertaste, like coffee or something.
I like it.
I don't know if I like it. I was told that I had to try Guy's Burgers, so I just did that with Nikki, and it was really good. It was super greasy, but the actual burger itself was super good, and the fries too. I just got it plain with ketchup and mayo because that's what I like, but definitely recommend that. I guess they're on all cruises, so definitely try that if you come on a cruise. Okay, I'm trying crab cake. Squeeze the lemon? I can't. Yeah, it's pretty good. It just tastes fishy. Okay, I think what this is teriyaki salmon, but I don't remember. Super fancy looking. Wow. That's really good. I really, really like that. This is all the food. That food is literally all of the food that I ordered so that I could try it. I tried lamb tonight, rabbit. It was all really good. We're gonna give them some of it. So I'll let you watch that in her video whenever she posts it. Veronica is making me try ox tongue. It smells like barbecue. It smells like barbecue. Come on, Nikki, try some. Okay. Monica and Tess are gonna do it with me. Okay, 1, 2.
No, only get your reaction.
Okay, she doesn't care about anybody else.
Did she get everybody in there?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, good reaction. Okay, ready? Let's go. It's really, it tastes just like
Lingua. Like the lingua of the cow lingua.
Lingua.
I don't know if that is.
I don't know what that means, but it tastes like barbecue. Like,
Oh yeah, I know that, but I thought it'd be a different type. I think it tastes like beef jerky.
it tastes like teriyaki, like beef jerky or something. It's not really not bad. The texture of it was really weird, like tough and stuff. I didn't like the texture of it, but it doesn't taste bad. Okay guys, so that was me trying random food on the cruise. If you guys like this, I know it was a really, really weird video, but I thought it would be fun. So if you guys like this, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love it so much if you would become part of my little YouTube family here. I'm trying to be consistent with uploading, and I just hope that you would want to stay. Not all my videos are like that. I do a lot of random stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I just said that. Bye!